Thank you for visiting with us at The Patrick and Stephanie Show, where we feature tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Every Monday and Friday, we share our digital marketing tips on how to increase your online brand awareness. Patrick here. Today, I am pleased to feature Look so good using my 5 cardinal rules of content marketing that you'll make every blog writer envious, my secret sauce that creates impactful content that converts. I will give you 5 cardinal rules that will help you create better content. Moreover, for this reason, you will be assured of your content being SEO optimized. In addition to complying with content marketing guidelines, I am also asking you to pay attention to the evolving content marketing landscape. You don't have to be a digital marketer or SEO expert to optimize your content. Create SEO-friendly content that your readers will appreciate in every possible way. The 5 cardinal rules. Cardinal Rule 1. Answer questions, ask questions, reply to comments, and post content that people care about. Make sure people like your content. Cardinal Rule 2. Focus on content that is truly relevant to your business and that your customers will naturally associate with your business. If you come from true heart and service, if your content is aimed at satisfying your audience and not yourself, you will see your numbers go up. Take advantage of this by creating content that will hook your audience. While this is not a set rule, it does help make your content easier to read. Cardinal Rule 3. You must make your content attractive to readers and Google's algorithms. Formatting your content helps both readers and search engines evaluate what your content has to offer. Cardinal Rule 4. What you need is a strategy and content that offers value to the reader. Cardinal Rule 5. The meta description should further motivate readers to click and read your content. While repeating your post is essential to success, keep in mind that not all of your content will be worth following all of the above steps. It makes no sense to do this with every content you create. There is no point in posting any content if you don't test it to see if it works. Tracking content usage and performance. When content usage is tracked internally and externally, it gives marketers a broader view of how their content is performing so they can optimize content for future use. To measure the full impact of content, from promoting the right interaction to converting buyers and supporting internal teams, marketers need to track performance at every stage of the content and buyer life cycle. Your roadmap, helping you reach your business goals. Having a roadmap that includes goals, tactics, KPIs, and metrics allows marketers to understand how their content is helping them reach their business goals. My secret sauce that creates high impact and valuable content that converts. Using the following 3 basic rules of B2B marketing content, you can bring your internal teams together with a single unified B2B marketing strategy to create high impact and valuable content that converts. Before harassing your team by trying to flood the internet with fresh content, a strategy that will most likely result in poor quality, use the following 3 ground rules to build a B2B marketing strategy that will make your content work. Don't even try to fool the search engines with poor quality content enhanced by SEO tactics. The 3 rules to create jaw-dropping content. Rule 1. Instead, take the time and invest in creating high-quality content. To get quality content, you need a good writer and regular content editing and proofreading. Even if you don't always meet high standards, by working towards them, you will automatically create better content, compared to your competition, than before. Rule 2. Remember, good content goes hand in hand with an ethical SEO strategy, which is why every business, no matter how small, should be working towards it. The most important element of a content strategy is the marketing objective. SEO and content marketing complement each other and do not work without mutual help. You are failing because you are neglecting the most basic rules of content marketing. Just like flyers and brochures in the past, marketing content needs to work to serve larger business entities and ultimately your customers. For example, you can share the success stories of one of your clients and make your content authentic and inspiring, which will ultimately make it more SEO-friendly. Rule 3. One of the easiest ways to improve the readability of your content and make it SEO-friendly is to use simple words that readers can relate to. Remember that keywords should naturally match your content. Use keywords sparingly and don't let them affect the overall quality of your content. Come up with a few keywords that will be the focus of your content. Learn what type of content works on what content platform for your niche. The takeaways. Keep your content up to date to be successful on social media. Social media is a great tool that every business should use when it comes to marketing. Developing a successful social media presence requires creative effort. Understanding how to create content that your audience loves while keeping your brand in the spotlight is key to social media marketing success. Focus on your industry and don't worry about posting cat videos or links to the latest viral content. This is a great opportunity to distribute blog content, related to your products or services, or emails about issues your customers are facing. Talking about interactive content can be a huge added value for you and your customers. Links give your content provides a stronger edge, and this allows your readers to keep reading on the topic. Your main task is to create informative and engaging content. I hope you have found my podcast to help answer your questions concerning my secret sauce that creates impactful content that converts. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We deeply appreciate your doing so and hope that you enjoy our sharing our information concerning tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Stephanie and Patrick signing off until next time.